Guys, Tubesday short time, mail call time, let's do this. Hey guys, it's Grant Tommy. This is my channel Straight Six Fan, where I focus on budget-minded, relatable, and creative automotive builds. A little thing I like to call offbeat hot rodding. And if this is your first time joining my series Tubesday Short, which this is where I attempt to give you a whole video in 3 minutes or less on a Tuesday. So here we go. Today we got ourselves some mail call. This comes from our buddy Duke at Duke's Small Engines, and this is long overdue because I got this on the 15th of May, so I apologize, Duke, for taking so long. Life got a little crazy there. So anyway, let's see what we got here. Duke says, thanks for swapping stickers with me, and Duke, I say, you're welcome. So Duke's Small Engines, there we go. We're gonna get you up on the toolbox. I gotta say, check his channel out. Obviously the name's pretty self-explanatory. He focuses on small engine repair, and of course, since I've got the Rat Rod radio flyer going, I'm sure I'll be consulting his channel more and more whenever I get this thing done, because I'm sure after I ride it, I'll break it. I'll want to make it go faster. So check out his channel for all things small engine repair. And Duke, we're gonna get you up on the toolbox. All right, so Duke, here we go. We're gonna put you right underneath Upper Peninsula DIY. Consider yourself on the toolbox. Guys, check out his channel. Great channel. Small engine repair, if you're intimidated with automotive repair, small engine repair is one of those things that, like, it's pretty basic, and you'll think, why did I ever spend money on small engine repair? So check him out. He's got a lot of good pointers. Until next time, peace out.